Do a quick intro. Welcome to the official Fishing with the Wars channel. And this is the first official video. I don't have my fellow other wards with me, but it's me and my cousin. And we are going fishing. Same bait as, oh, you don't know this because I didn't post the video. But I'll show you the bait when we get there. But like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's see what we catch today. Alright, we're in the first spot. It's about probably 5:10, maybe even later. It's not a bad spot. But it's pretty deep. So we're gonna get fishing. Alright, this is the bait. It's been soaking in the sun. It has dead flies all over it.
Serious?
Stuff stinks. It's bad. We got shrimp and some chicken breast. I don't know how much is in here. I think I got like maybe 10, maybe a couple pieces, maybe 8. But yeah, we're gonna get set up. All right, we're all rigged up. My cousin got we got 25-pound leader with a 3-ounce egg sinker. Yeah, I pretty much got the same thing, but California rig. And I'm going with the shrimp first. Let's see what's in here. Yep, it looks promising. Definitely promising.
If I do, it's small.
I think Buddy has something. Maybe it's probably, what's it called? Turtle. Oh yeah. Nice.
Bro!
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a 4-pounder right there. What is that? Seaweed.
This should piss me off. Why was
He's a little bigger than the other one. Oh, he's fat. Yeah, he's a fat one. Oh my god.
that's a big blue gigi.
Yeah. Very nice little blue gigi, but it's a little too big. He's really. Oh, calm down, buddy. You're some fat bluegill, bro. Like, look at that thing. Oh, there you go. It's huge. Alright. Catching some bluegills. Put you back in the water, little guy. Hey. I might be able to catch a bass. You really never know. But not with the bluegill hook. I highly doubt it. Not with the bluegill hook. Alrighty. See what we get. I'd definitely probably be able to get a bass. I really have to pee. Not gonna lie. See if I can catch another bluegill. I would like a bass though, that'd be cool. I really have to use the bath. I'm gonna see if I can pee somewhere. You don't have to thug it out. There's really nowhere to pee. And really don't want to get in trouble. See if we catch him. Really don't have to hold it, guys. Oh no. Not to hold it. This piece of bait might be a little too big. Oh yeah. I get a smaller bluegill so I can put it on my catfish pole. And maybe catch a big old bass. Oh wow, that ain't going either. Oh, he got off. He got off again. a new spot. It's the next day. Caught a bunch of bluegills yesterday. I mean, I'm not mad. Bluegills are bluegills, but this area right here, I mean, it's not too bad. But we're gonna see what we catch. See if we get like a small enough bluegill to fish with a live bait. So I only got like a couple more pieces of bait left. We're gonna make it. I'm gonna make it last. So same bait as yesterday. We'll see what we can get. And also have like a lure, a little swim bait. So we'll see. Kind of like this area right here because there's a lot more spots where I can put my stuff. There's a guy in the boat too. So this water is definitely pretty deep, for sure. I just don't know how deep. There's like no. I'm not gonna say there's no seaweed, but there's none that you can see. Like at the other spot we were at, there's so much seaweed. I also brought extra batteries just in case GoPro died. And now I'm just casting this little, like an octopus. Yeah, something tug on it. Just working it just to catch leaks. Hey, look, a little, a small bluegill, so I can use it as bait. Not too cold out here, but it'll be alright. Maybe these fish like stinky bait, real bait, not that fake bait. I don't know, but that fake bait be working though. Gotta admit, stuff still stinks, bro. A piece of shrimp. I'm gonna do a little one. Well, no. Yeah, I'll do a little piece. About that, probably. One thing about this stuff is it's so salty, bro. It just gets all over your fingers. It's not pleasant. Hey, I want to put the fish. Kind of limited on bait. I've never fished in Brownsburg, so I don't really know this area. So, if you don't catch anything here, we'll probably walk around the neighborhood, see if we can find something else. Ooh, the water's warm. Water's really warm. Alrighty. Let's see what we get. It is 10 o'clock in the morning, I think. What time is it? It's 11:47. I got here around like 10, 10:30, 10:45 probably. But could be a possibility that they're sleeping and they're like just now waking up. I seen a couple, maybe two little fish kind of poked their head out, but not poked their head out, they like came up to the shore or water, whatever. But other than that, nothing. Not even a bite. Not even a bite. About what they're eating and what time they're eating. How deep they are. I'm gonna go on the right side of you. See what I can get from this part. See if anything's over here. Pole's bending. I don't know if that's a fish or not. It could be. Oh yeah. Hi Dad. Hi Dad. Oh, wrong way. Oh my gosh. There you go. Focus. Calm down. Alright, he's swimming. Come on. Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh my, he's fat! Oh! Woo! Yeah, that is a big boy. Oh my gosh! My heart is pounding right now. I can't even touch that because I don't even know how I'm gonna get this off. Wow. I gotta call my pop. Pumping. That was freaking crazy. I'm trying to figure out why this pole won't reel in. I throw it on the ground. I look over and mine just, and he just starts running with it. I gotta fix my drag because I was not prepared for that. But I'm gonna throw back out there and I'm gonna try to get this pole reeled in. I just had another fish on this pole and I didn't even know. That's why it wouldn't reel in. That's freaking crazy, bro. That's wild. It looked like a catfish. I'm not sure what it was, but wow. This pond is crazy. Gotta come out here every day, brother. All right. We're gonna go back to our spot and see if we can catch another one. Not mad. I had another fish, and I didn't even know. He was big. He was huge. I think it was another channel. But yeah, we're gonna throw the same bait out. I still have my bait, so let's see what we get. Man, I'm kind of mad that I lost my other pole. Man, I don't have no more hooks. Well, this pole will do. Might catch another one. I don't know. I want to catch a bass. I've never caught a bass before. And I've caught one. Like that. Let's set it back right here. I think the drag's set. I think the drag is set. Man, I still really wish, honestly, I wish I didn't catch that fish on the purple pole, bro. I didn't even know he was on there. Nah, no more hooks. I do have that lure, but can't really tie that on. Yeah, I probably could. If I didn't lose my leader, not my leader, yeah, the 25-pound leader I had 2 days ago, oh yeah, I would have caught it for sure. But lost it sadly to a snag. Well, not me. My cousin lost it. Dang, bro. I'm gonna try to use this thing. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna work. Maybe right here. We'll see. Dang. Oh yeah, it's cool. I don't know. We might catch another one, we might not. But heck yeah. Caught a bunch of bluegill yesterday. Now we catch a freaking, I don't know how much he weighs. 8 pounds? He's fighting. Sure. I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely kind of panicking. I honestly didn't think I was gonna catch anything out of here. Oh my god. Really? You see what I'm telling you, bro? Crazy. Everybody, they were asleep. Calm and collected. Calm and collected. No need to panic. I should have brought my net. Come on. Yo, he's fat. That might be the same one. I don't know, but he's fat. Oh my gosh. California rig, bro. Dang, he messed my stuff up. Alright. Prayerfully, we can take this off. I don't know if we can or not, but we probably could. Oh yeah. He's fat. I mean, genuine, I would keep him, but I have nowhere to store him. I'm gonna try to take him off. We're in like a little predicament right now. Homeboy swallowed the hook, and I don't have any pliers to get it out. So, yeah. But, yo, he's pretty fat. We're gonna keep catching him. But I just need somebody to I need some pliers. I might go back to my cousin's house to get some pliers and see what we can get. I'm not sure yet, but we might run back to the house and get some pliers. Because if I catch another one, like, I'm not gonna be able to take it off with anybody without anybody's help. So it's still the same bait, by the way. It's crazy. Still the same bait, which is wild. I might go back and get the pliers. I don't know yet. Yeah, this is the same bait. They're really liking the shrimp. I would really like to catch a bass. I've never caught a bass before. I've only caught like one. But he was small. He was not even a pound. He might. I'm maybe like a little shy off from a pound. But we'll see what we can get. We might get another one. That was like at least 5 minutes. 5 at most. That was like at least 5 minutes. And I have another one already. When I catch this next one, I'm gonna go back to the house and see if I can find some pliers. Please be a bass. I want to catch a bass so bad. A bass would be cool. I'm grateful for all the other fish, blessed beyond measure, to catch the fish I've actually caught today. Oh, here it is again. Crazy. They were not biting like this like 35 minutes ago. He took my bait. Good. Well, not good, but yeah. That would be too easy. Yeah, he got. Yeah, he's still on there, but still, we got to hit like dang near right as soon as I threw it out. Four people got benzene in, that's honestly crazy. I just threw it out. Okay, you can see it. It's wild. That's crazy, man. Wow. That first one really was like, bro, I was panicking. My heart was racing. My BPM was probably at least 157, bro. That was crazy. It's an adrenaline rush. Because he was fighting. The other one fought. Yeah, I think the first fish I fought, he fought back the hardest. For sure. I technically caught 3 today. But there it is. Tight. Told you, bro. He's fat. What's that for? He's fat. Well, he's not as big as the other one was, but hey, he's still up there. Ooh, that's